Let's use a drip dose formula. Using our master formula with 1/2, I've changed our variable to drip set. Our order for this patient is dopamine 7 micrograms per kilogram per minute. We have 200 milligrams of dopamine in a 250 milliliters of normal saline. We also have a 60 drop set. Our patient weighs 180 pounds. Using the 3 a.m. method, I converted that to 81 kilograms. So we're going to put that up here. In order to find my dose, I take his weight times the dose ordered. So 7 times 81 equals 567 micrograms per minute. This is what I want to deliver. Okay, so I'm going to put 567 in my want. Now I have to figure my have. I have a concentration mixed of 200 milligrams in 250 milliliters. Just like up here, I'm going to divide. So 200 divided by 250 is 0.8. What that means is 0.8 milligrams per milliliter. Now, I have to come over here and convert this to common units. My original dose was in micrograms. This is milligrams. To convert milligrams to micrograms, we're going to move the decimal 3 places to the right. So if I take 0.8 and move it 3 places, I have to fill in those blanks with zeros. That gives me 800 micrograms per milliliter. Okay? That is now my have. Going back, divide want by have, dividing 567 by 800 times 60 is going to give me 42.5 drops per minute. And that's what I want to deliver to this patient.